If you're a beginner at planning and want to get organized, or if you're wondering what planners to buy, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to get organized, how to start with the planning journey, and which planner is right for you. Thank you for joining me today. Let's take the planning journey. Firstly, let's get to the most basic planner out of the way. It is the good old to-do list. Now I'm showing you this one as I have it. But a simple notebook would also do. You can also use about anything, a whiteboard, sticky note, plain piece of paper, all of that would do. You can have this to-do list on your phone or your computer. There are tons and tons of apps that are available. I personally prefer using Google Keep. Let me know if you want to do a dedicated video on Google Keep. Now let's get to the actual planners. Primarily, there are two types of planners, dated planners and undated planners. I have both the types here for you to show how different they are. In a dated planner, all the dates are predefined. Whereas for an undated planner, there is no date mentioned like this one, where I have to write dates for each day and then start planning for it. For a dated planner, you will have to start at a specific period and end at a specific period. This means you'll have to start like the start of the year and end that planner at the end of the year. You can't start in the middle of the year. If you do, you will waste a lot of pages. On the other hand, undated planner can be started at any time. In a dated planner, you will have to plan each and every day of the year. As you can see here in my 2020 planner, there are many such days that I did not plan. So these pages will go to waste. Having said that, dated planners have trackers, monthly, weekly pages where you can actually reflect and track your progress. There is an in-between tracker as well, like this one from Amazon. That is undated but has features of a dated planner like monthly spreads, weekly spreads, etc. Now that we have our basics sorted, let's discuss which planner would fit your planning journey. Now, if you have never planned whatsoever, start with a simple to-do list on a regular diary or a whiteboard or a sticky note. Try keeping a digital to-do list as well from the number of apps that are available, so you would know whether you prefer to plan digitally or on paper. Keep at it for a month. Observe what is your style. See what makes you more productive. Do you like to accomplish a day's task and then tear off the sheet? Or do you like to track your progress? Do you want your list to be on a phone, book, or on your computer? I would say discover your style. Remember, you want the planner to do the work for you and you don't work for the planner. Now, I have been planning for years, but for the first couple of years, I was using a tearaway to-do list that served me well. Post which I realized that my notes book has my daily highlights, some positive quotes, some dialogues, anything that fancied my imagination. So for the next few days, I started to write in a daily journal and a to-do list. So in the daily journal, I used to write highlights, I used to write things that happened that day, I used to write what I plan for the next day and then make a to-do list for the next day. So that helped me so far. But then life happened. Juggling between family, work, YouTube, friends became super hectic, and I needed a much more complex system to my planning to accomplish the goals that I'd set out for myself. Now, in the new scenario, I wanted to work towards a goal, be able to track it. To keep me motivated, I also wanted to add gratitude to my routine as I was overwhelmed. So, what I did, I made a vision board, wrote down my goals at a place where I could see them every day. I started using basic and an inexpensive undated planner from Amazon. There are tons and tons of choices available, and they come as low as a couple of ₹100, like this one. The one that you see on your screen is the one that I have from an Instagram store. It is an undated planner, but you don't need to buy this. You can buy a very simple one on Amazon. So if you have crossed the to-do list hurdle and have decided on the paper method of planning, I would suggest start with a basic undated planner. This will be inexpensive and will help you determine your planning frequency. Do you plan monthly, weekly, or daily? Also, if you want to see details of this particular planner on your screen, I have bought it from an Instagram store. I'll put the link in the description. Now, with an undated planner, have an open mind. See what works for you. Again, observe your style. That will help you understand what is the kind of planner that you want to go for. As you can see, I have not planned for a few days in 2020, but definitely most of the days I have planned, and a dated planner has kept me motivated to come back on track for planning. This particular planner is again from an Instagram store. I will tag them in the description box below. My suggestion would be, do not spend too much on a planner. Figure out what your needs are and accordingly commit to a planner. It is a journey and there will be trial and errors. You can also absolutely customize your own planner in a plain book, or else there is an option of bullet journaling, which is making your planner from scratch. So all of that options are always open. I have already purchased my 2021 planner, which is comprehensive and has the features that I like. Here is a small glimpse of it. Again, purchased from a Insta store. We'll tag them in the description. My next video is going to be reviewing this particular planner, so wait for that video. I hope this video was useful and helps you place yourself in the planning journey. Let me know in the comments section, how are you planning? What are the tools that you're using? And we can learn from each other. Also, let me know about video recommendations. Until then, bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy planning.